So currently, YouTube is massively demonetizing faceless channels, and this is part of the process they are taking in order to sanitize their platform. So sometime in 2024, they started this process by targeting channels in the make money online niche. During that period, millions of channels were terminated or demonetized. So currently, YouTube is focusing their searchlight on faceless channels, and you can remember that sometime in July 2025, YouTube updated their repetitive content policy to inauthentic content policy, so that that policy will accommodate the use of AI tools or new technologies that is being integrated into content creating. So this was necessary because the rate at which low effort AI generated content was being uploaded on YouTube was so massive. Advertisers were complaining, users were complaining, and even creators with original content were complaining because their videos started getting lower views compared to the previous years. And they discovered that their original content were competing with low effort AI generated content. So YouTube need to do something about that. So some few months ago, YouTube has been on massive onslaught, demonetizing channels, and even some YouTube terminated their channels. So in today's video, I'm going to shed more light on things you should avoid if you have a faceless channel and you think that you are at risk of being demonetized, or you stand no chance of monetizing your channel. So I'm going to shed more light on things that YouTube actually wants you to do with your AI generated faceless channel. So first of all, I'm going to show you these three channels. These three channels are into the faceless channel niche and prayer sub niche. So currently this channel has 752,000 subscribers. They have uploaded 555 videos on the channel, and they has been on YouTube for like more than 3 years. Then the second channel that was demonetized, this has 79,000 subscribers, and they have uploaded over 360 videos, and this channel is about a year old. And the third one is also, this third one is monetized, is still monetized, and they have 2.1 million subscribers, and they have uploaded 1.8K videos, and they have been around since 2019. So what could have been the problem? Why would these three channels doing very well in the same sub niche, two were demonetized, one is still monetized? So first of all, let's start with the thumbnails. So from what we found out from this channel, you can see that this channel, from their previous videos, the thumbnails look similar. They are totally different, but the thumbnail looks similar. It looks like what AI can easily generate, and the replication is almost similar. So if you watch, but I think later they discovered that this could be one of the reasons why their channel was demonetized, and they changed their thumbnail template. You can see it's totally different. You see each of these thumbnails looks totally different with different color theme. So the second one also, if you check, it looks the same. It looks like what AI can easily generate. The thumbnails look similar, and if you look, the third channel that is monetized, that is still monetized, you can see that the thumbnails totally look different. Each thumbnails look different from the previous one, you can see. So what we can capture from this particular comparison is that when your thumbnails looks too similar, and if they look like if it is something that AI can easily generate, that could flag your channel. So now this leads to the next one, how you script your stories. Either you're into the African folk tales, or you are into the prayer niche, or any other AI generated faceless content. So one thing you need to understand is that since the introduction of Gemini into the YouTube algorithm, things has changed. So each time you upload a video on YouTube, before you even put the title, the thumbnail, before you do whatever thing you want to do, the Gemini, the YouTube AI, has already known everything about this, about that video, both the images in that video, species or the script that you use on that video. The YouTube algorithm has already known everything, and it can now easily categorize if this your video is low effort content or if it is well prepared. So now I'm going to show you a platform that I normally use to write and edit my script. So this is Grammarly. Some of you will know it. So sometimes when I'm writing my script, even when I write it on my own, I sometimes come here to check if it looks something like AI generated. So here I copy the script from somewhere and paste it here. And as you can see, this particular tool, which is AI detector, it detected that 45% of this script that I paste on this page is AI, is possibly AI text. So you can see possible AI text detected, 45%. So when I go through this text, and from here you can see it shows that this section resembles AI text. So it is very easy for the YouTube algorithm to detect when you use AI text. And when your script looks similar to thousands of other videos scripts, that could trigger a flag on your channel. So when you're writing script, when you're generating script with AI, make sure that you spend additional time to tweak some of the text, rewrite it, do something new, or you can even use like this platform to help you scan to know if majority or if like more than 50% of the script can be detected as AI and AI text. So this is very, very important. So this leads to some of us that normally use templates. You use a particular template to write to create or generate script for your videos, especially your faceless videos. Some we always use free template. Maybe a creator created a particular template and say start using this template in your videos and it will go viral. And you can imagine hundreds or even thousands of creators using the same template, and even each of the creators might even have more than 2 channels. Imagine thousands of channels creating similar kind of story or the same kind of script. That will trigger inauthentic content that is like mass produced. So when YouTube scan all that and see that this looks similar, then there could be a problem with your channel. Then the next one again is this. Many of us, because of this mass production, like many of us that are into this faceless faceless niche, many don't want to invest. So in most cases, you see a lot of creators using free resources on the internet to create their videos, like free images, free videos. And when they use free images, free videos, and also AI generated text to create their videos, so to an extent YouTube can term that as inauthentic content, in the sense that these images and text that images and videos you are using, that these free resources you are using, like other thousands of channels, if not millions of channels, are using the same. So this will also affect the user experience on YouTube. Like viewers, when they watch this particular video and they enjoyed it, and YouTube recommends similar video from another channel and they watch it, and there's no much difference between the video they just watched just now with the one they are watching now. So that makes the YouTube experience, the YouTube user experience, very, very low. It brings it very low. So YouTube doesn't like this kind of thing happening on their channel, because if the users are not satisfied, that is the viewers, if they are not satisfied, the advertisers will not invest on their platform, and this can even reduce the bar of YouTube. So YouTube is totally trying to sanitize their platform. Then coming back to creators, sometime late last year, many creators were complaining that they were experiencing low views. So it's not like their videos are not engaging, it's not like they're not creating quality videos, but it's because their videos are competing with low effort AI generated content. You get the point? So this makes some creators they stop making videos on YouTube, and this is also affecting the YouTube platform. So YouTube is trying to get rid of all these low efforts videos on their platform, but sadly some channels will be, they will just be innocent victims. They will be innocent victims. If YouTube demonetize your channel and you think that you aren't doing anything wrong on your channel, you can appeal their decision, and if you're fortunate, you get your channel restated. But for this inauthentic content, it is very, very rare for you to appeal and succeed, especially if you are into the AI niche. So guys, so just take note of this. The frequency is not the issue. Like the channel that I just shared earlier, these channels, I mean, they are uploading videos on a daily basis, but 2 were demonetized, 1 is still standing, and that one is still uploading frequently. However, frequency also matters. But what YouTube is looking at is how did you create this content? Even though if you are uploading videos once a day, every day, how are you creating this content? How are you creating this content? That is what YouTube is much more interested in. Not how the frequency, but the frequency can trigger a flag on your channel. But the major thing is how are you creating that content? So if you are using free resources that thousands more other people are using, try investing in getting resources that will make your video or your channel to stand out. So that's what I have to say in this issue that is buzzing right now. So stay original, make your content, make your videos, let them be unique to your channel. Let it be as if like someone else cannot replicate what you're doing on your channel. If possible, create a personal brand around your channel and you'll be fine. So if you are being hit by this demonetization and you feel that you can appeal, try to appeal. You stand a chance to get back your monetization. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this new onslaught on faceless channels? Do you think it is fair? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.